làm đâu tuần sau
tao đi làm đâu tuần sau
một ngày rồi làm đâu tuần ngày
một ngày đi làm đâu tuần ngày
đâu xong đâu
tao xong đâu
mày xong đâu
không phải xong đâu
làm đâu tuần
ai làm bằng vời
đâu lắm rồi
tao lắm giờ
không may làm mày
không may làm mày
tao rồi làm đâu tuần sau
tao đi làm đâu tuần sau
một ngày rồi làm đâu tuần ngày
một ngày đi làm đâu tuần ngày
đâu xong đâu
tao xong đâu
mày xong đâu
không phải xong đâu
mày làm bằng vậy
ai làm bằng vời
đâu lắm rồi
tao lắm giờ
không may làm mày
không may làm mày
tao rồi làm đâu tuần sau
tao đi làm đâu tuần sau
một ngày rồi làm đâu tuần ngày
một ngày đi làm đâu tuần ngày
đâu xong đâu
tao xong đâu không phải xong đâu
mày làm bằng vậy
ai làm bằng vời
đâu lắm rồi
mày đi làm đâu tuần ngày đâu xong đâu không phải xong đâu ai làm bằng vời
mấy quay nhất là gai mấy cái lan nên là cấu tân mày cáo lỗ gai mấy cái lan ok respected chief guest Sri C. Chandrasekhar IPS Inspector General of Police Tamil Nadu sir, in the I would like to stand up and thank you sir. Hay thế akai tuang Chandrasekhar sir đã bao mi hay thế kami dahil hay đại so thân tàu company mấy quay năng đã thay lâu rồi hay sir hay anh nhau vậy cả so này thế giáo lâu này thế cái này làm bao mai của akai cùng chief guest chắc khoang chẳng bảo sunu mai honorable chief guest akai hay Chandrasekhar sir đã bao mấy quay nên so thế we have been longing for the past 2-3 months we keep on seeing the name but we were longing to see the face. This is Sir Chandrasekhar whom we were longing to see him, so thank you. Sri S. Saravanan Kumar IAS, former Joint Commissioner Income Tax, Advocate, Madras High Court. Kuna hay thế Sarana Sir akai kang rang kakwai na pakai pagang na court khao registration khang government to channel khao tapoi akai khang mai thai mering pa kang khao akai khang sulau ne the ting ma mai kamai he IRS kem thai kum lana kamai he income joint income commissioner to income tax kem bam lowe kum lana tau present ko sore ne kamai he Madras High Court kem mai short kum dong kum na kamai mai dai CA katong law firm ni dai hang na suwe mai he interaction kum na ko ni mai pa wala ko special guest, Mr. V.G. Chandra Babu, former Lions District Governor, Lions Club International, Tamil Nadu. Hi. Tinkum 2018, from 2018, we met him already in the Christmas time. Again, Narendra Babu sir, the mai hai. Thế cũng là xong cái máy cái dao mà cái thai akai rồi mà trong form church khao hall khao tabi tuang suggestion guidance mày mà con thai akai kan ti lo mày thế sai hao akai đúng chu ri ba mày ni ti lo mày ko quay ni hai nó cả tổng thế bây giờ tuang ai nên sa tuang mà tên này thế cũng ngày cái này tuang mà tên này thế cái này mấy gọi là let's have a round of applause. Cũng là akai hậu hệ George tuang solution là đại na phuma mai pu kan ni nai da the why Guneshwar Kumar tana akai la gen kho ka goi na bang kho George ka tu tu ti pa ti ho ba mai khang akai ti ba mai sa the bai ka ri nu lo bang che ni ka mai ri nu lo ma ki thai chance ma ai ta mai he chlo bang se se ka he nam ka goi na ngam ti đâu mai pu the tana akai thai đâu the cũng là mấy goi na bạn pa pu đâu kho cũng là cái không phải này đấy có quay nó mấy种cắm băng một tí lâu quay nó cho trong khâu process phải nó gọi đấy cái hệ hold cái ghế này mày Dong su ri ba mai SC ka gen ba mai mai ga mai de digital ran so ba mai ram ka kwai na ti lo na so lo ban thai de ti ba mai akai tuang Jebel sir treasurer tong hai pu de na so lo mai ai de ba ka na wa na lo ai ki the akai tong important goi kom la na ta so la mai he due to some appointment Dr. Judy Gopal, former assistant professor, KU South Korea and freelance evangelist, may have okay. She is not with us. She will be coming very soon, but due to some appointments, she couldn't reach on time. Mr. Michael Raj, Blessing Prayer and Fellowship, Managing Director, PC India Electronic Service Private Limited. Due to some appointment again, he will be joining us very soon. He is on the way. And representatives of tribes and all my brothers and sisters, I would like to just stand and introduce yourself from the tribe, from which tribe did you represent?
Thank you so much for giving me this time. We are from Tangku Welfare Association, Chennai.
I'm Atuna, I'm Angami. Thank you so much.
My name is Malanthaw, Azaduna Malanthawe. The one who just introduced herself, she is Athono. She is also going to be singing for you. I think we will be performing in the second session more. So hoping to see you guys in the second session. Thank you so much, and thank you for the organizers, everyone for inviting me and Athono, and of course hosting the other people also from Chennai here for organizing this and inviting us for this great program. Thank you.
Anh là đi qua cái khá lâu nay, cái mà mày cái thành này cầm rất hệ, bây na mày xem bây đại nó về Murugan advocate, bar council member. Thấy này là mày xem bây đại thật thế. Hôm nay này mày đại về thật thế. Bar council của mày member là thật thế. Hai cô của phong ba mình nói thế nó vậy, anh nhớ vậy, tao mới tiếng khá lâu rồi, mấy cái rồi mày try cái sự lâu này thế thì tao mình nói thế. Hôm nào khán này rất hệ, Sarah Lennon. Advocate, I can Aam Aadmi Party, state level ketuang, wakate Aam Aadmi ketuang state level tuang, wakate spokesperson the, akai hai, pai na sarin में तुमने थे gang पुने तो नल्लो मगे, Aam Aadmi तुम सर ने gang lau the, state level तुम spokesperson the, akai तुम gang lau the, Narendra Babu sir gang lau the, hai ketuang district level tuang international तुम governor the. Hey, George Tổng Secretary này đâu thế? Mấy nó cái hay là quảng khó. Thuần của lâu khẳng này thế, thì mày ai sao đâu? Minister ML Michael Raj, Family Blessing and Prayer Fellowship, Managing Director, PC India Electronic Private Limited. We believe this is the answer of our lovely parents' prayer back at home. I'm extremely honored and privileged for getting an opportunity to welcome the newcomer. I, on behalf of entire Romai community, would like to welcome all the comers and guests of this function and give an opportunity to socialize with each other. For newcomers who are away from their respective homes for the first time and happen to face any problems in settling down in new environment, I assure that all of us are readily available to listen to your problems and help you in tackling the same. Youth of today are the future of society and nation. I strongly believe that your sincerity and honesty can always help you in making a good, responsible human being out of yourself. Of course, youth and all others are always remain as navigators to guide all of us. The duty of the youth is not only to impart education, but also to inculcate discipline and qualities of the society. You shall feel protected and shielded under the guidance of the leaders, and hence should be honored their presence. Once again, I, on behalf of the entire community, would like to take commitment from all our seniors and newcomers to maintain amicable relationship with one another. Respect your seniors, juniors, and all members, and make your parents proud for having here. Wishing you all the best and thank you. Kuma Thai mang nó sẽ nè đuôi na như vậy. Có cũng là sao đạo đâu cũng thế. Ping bấm riêu, lung gầy bấm riêu, akai đã khá lâu nữa mày ao vậy. Mày xem mày đại mày đâm đã nhiều đẹp của bằng đúng bằng thế. Bay này thôi na, dân này thôi na, bay này thôi na. Còn nhiều vậy hay. Kan di kau all India kau sudah selain yang tapi memang saya nanti akai kau selalu nanti dan orang nanti kau nak tinggal rio, lomai rio, tunggu lau karet je selalu dengan selalu nanti. Kuma, ay ketika kan highlight selalu ni akai kau lau sana. We express our heartfelt gratefulness and thankfulness in this auspicious day. RPC Freshers Day, Kam Foundation Day, to all and all prominent figures, Sri C. Chandrasekhar IPS, Inspector General of Police, Tamil Nadu, Sri S. Ravana Kumar IAS, former Joint Commissioner Income Tax, Advocate, Madras High Court, Mr. V.G. Chandra Babu, former Lions District Governor, Lions Club International, Tamil Nadu. Our tribe Rongmai was recently recognized as a scheduled tribe under the Constitution of Indian States 8 January 2012 after the President of India has inked his assent on the bill Scheduled Tribe Amendment Order introduced on December 7, 2011 and that was passed by both the Houses of Parliament on 19 December 2011. Haiposa Duanang, who was sentenced and hanged by the British under the decree of a political agent, J.C. Higgins on 29 August 1931 at Imphal, and Rani Gaidiplu, whose title Rani was awarded by PM Jawaharlal Nehru in 1937. Moreover, she was also conferred Tampa Patra Freedom Fighter Award in 1972. The Padma Bhushan 1982, Vivekananda Seva Award 1983, Bisra Munda Award 1966, Postal Department released a postal stamp on her name in 1966, launch of Coastal Postal Vessel Guard on her name 2010 on her birth centenary, 24 August 2015, PM Narendra Modi Guard on her name. Loans a commemorative coin of 100 and 5 rupee in her name, belongs to Rongmai tribe. The population is around 1 lakh and settled in 3 states of Northeast, namely Manipur, Nagaland and Assam. Rongmai from Chennai was established on 26 September 2018 with a vision and objectives to stay secure and dignified within the care of state, Tamil Nadu government, abiding the rules and regulations of higher authority, to uphold the value of good citizenship while pursuing education or working in order to help our parents back at home in Tamil Nadu. To act as a responsible unit for the welfare betterment of Rongmai people living in Tamil Nadu, to promote social and cultural awareness programs, activities to ensure better social relationship among ourselves, to provide social economic assistance in the best capacity manner to the depressed, poor, helpless members to avoid untoward incidents. In a solemn anonymous manner, we Rongmai from Chennai RPC will uphold with integrity and confidence the above vision and objectives with the best commitment. Our humble petition with a deep due respect, we would like to put forward our humble request. As we are few in numbers, 2,000 members in Chennai and almost engaged in part-time job, we will seek your moral support, legal support, advice and assistance in any time of difficulties, accident, fatal injuries, disease, etc. As our parents back home are poor and illiterate, we are the first generation to receive education in our initiative to uplift our social economic lives at our respective Northeast state. We look forward to you for innovative, creative and healthy approach. As our members living in Chennai city, we are from a poor economy background. We seek your support for any secure job or related service. For taking care of all this aspect, we need a proper office, proper pay, staff, leaders, for which we look for your help and assistance. We are indeed in debtness with a grateful for all your moral, legal support and assistance you have rendered that you will be still rendering to our coming days. For all of this help, we pray, may God our Almighty bless you all with a full favor and bestow prosperity in your endeavor. We remain sincerely, sir. Thank you so much, sir. Như vậy na, bạn ta hôm lâu là anh yêu cái kia này như vậy, sao nó cũngไม่แต่yêu khang khá lâu nhưไม่thế,ไม่หาcáiห่วงเลยสัพพะไทยบางสิ่งนี้มีไว้นะcái trong làm sạch khai giang cái nào ai sao cái không mấy thì thếมีไว้นะพังพอดีไม่จงlàm xin là cái cái đầu raไม่แต่cáiเราบอกในข่าวเราไม่ใช่คนเดียวนั่นเองรวมไม่นานนั้นให้จัดกำลังสู่เราทำไมให้อายไปนะสานี้ลาดจัดอะไรลงสู่เรามากี่ไทยอะไรต้อง try คนลงสู่เรามากี่ไทยอะไรให้กับบางประเทศไทยมาคนนี้สัญชีนะรู้ว่าไม่สัญชีแทนมาขังทำไมหายคนนั้นจัดไว้แล้วก็เรียนเราตรงไทยอายเลยชาวบ้านนั้นเป็นยังเขาไว้ปรีชาวบ้านนั้นเป็นยังกระบะมาแค่ตัวกี่ตัวตาเราไว้เราเนี่ย leader น้องไว้ในแข่งไทยแล้ว public น้องไว้ในแข่งไทยแล้ว public น้องเนี่ยนะ leader จะ support ตีเรามากี่ไทย leader น้องส่งมากี่ leader น้องเนี่ยต่างสู่เลยมากี่ไทยpublic เขาได้ support สุขภาพ leader ได้แจ้งใจไทยมากี่ไทยแจ้งใจสวยคนนี้ทำไมให้คนนั้นกันให้มีกระเว้ยนะสาวเราตรงไทยตรงกูไทย
ไปที่ไหนได้ไม่ไหวนั่นตาไรเรียงไม่เข้าไรเรียงไม่จบทันเร็วไหมอันนี้ซ้อมเราไม่ซีมิไม่ไหวนั่นไม่ไหวนั่นไหมไปนะไหนท่านนั่นเองเว้ยใส่วางเราวางเหมือนกันเราบอกต้องเสียมงานแบบนั้น I'm really happy to thank for giving opportunity times for our tribes from my people living in China. This is one small tokens of love with our traditional dress and shawl. Yes, Sir Chandrasekhar, please receive a small tokens of love. Please take it. Thank you so much. นี้ไว้ครั้งกำมันกุมไม่กันอันนี้ไม่ต้องพังสั้นครั้ง more color beauty ที่สุดแล้วนะบ้าไม่ไว้ครับอัตราอันนี้เขาตรงนะบ้าไม่ไว้ Chef guest of honors SAS leaders ให้ไว้ให้ไว้ไปนั่นได้นะทั้งหมดเฮ้ respected Chef guest of honors special guests special invitees ladies and gentlemen it is my privilege and honor to warmly welcome each of us. A day is a momentous but because it adds another day, but today is a historic day celebrating our community get-together of years 2019. It has been the traditional passing on to us to celebrate and warmly welcome to our brothers and sisters who newly joined our family, which we dearly uphold. To the family of RPC Tamil Nadu, yes, it is a history. As you begin a new journey in your life, be humble enough to consult with the seniors and look up for the help. Dear phrases, we wish you happy stay and the presence here. We expect that something better will soon take place through your active participation towards RPC. Thank you. Ruang Mai Phuong, RPC Ring Sang Diu. Thank you.